So, look, see, this is a brother, and see that? This is not supposed to come up, see that? See, I'm pulling the whole needle and everything. The machine's not on. I just want to make sure the machine is on. That's why we're doing this manually. That's why when I pull it up, it go up. But look, see, I can't bring it up with my finger, okay? And it's not supposed to drop down with my finger either. And the needle, if you look at the needle, see, the needle is outside the fabric. Outside, not underneath the actual presser foot, but it's over it. So which means the needle leaves the presser foot, leaves the fabric before the presser foot does. Where on my Melco, it doesn't do that. This is what I'm talking about. There's something wrong with the Melcos, and I have to call them to see if they can fix this, or if not, the Melco has a design defect. And these are built a little bit better.
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.